Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial video, I'll show you how to create a before and after slider using Framer's workshop, all with just a couple of simple prompts. I'll also include the free remix link and the prompt in the description below. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Alright, let's create a project and then click this layers, desktop and click this layout to make it stack. Next, click this framer icon, go to plugins, browse all and search for workshop and paste this prompt, click enter, wait for a few seconds, it will generate the component. That's it, we got the component in just a few seconds. Now let's place it under the desktop layer and upload our images. So click here and drag it and drop it to the desktop. Now let's change the width to fill and let's add some height, I guess 800 pixel. Click this before image, upload our image. Now click this after image and upload our after image. You can also customize the icon, color and other elements such as change the arrow color to this color or this color, increase the arrow size or decrease it, arrow background color to this and divider color, this divider color to this color and the divider width which is this. Once you're done, click the preview to see our result. As you can see, plus you can add more functionality by using workshop again. And that's how you can create a before and after slider or any complex component without writing a single line of code, just by using a few lines of prompt. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video inshallah.